Hello all. Welcome to the session of Tally ERP 9, Release 5.0, wherein we will discuss some of the important features, enhancements done in this particular series. The topics covered are personalized product updates, robust licensing, product stability and completeness. Personalized product updates. Current scenario. Presently, with features that get added regularly, Tally is now a bigger product with bigger installers. At the same time, all customers do not use all features, yet the product loads all the features into the computer memory, thus leading to unnecessary memory consumption. Also consider statutory changes. States keep making changes. If there is a statutory change for Tamil Nadu, every customer in India will be prompted to download and install the latest stat file. Impact. The overall impact is customers are constantly required to download and reinstall the applications even if not needed, causing unnecessary wastage of time and effort. We have therefore taken a new approach in Release 5.0. Look at the design, functionality, additions, modifications and stack enhancements will now be available on Tally.NET Server. Tally ERP 9 will keep track of every customer's usage history based on which additional features and enhancements will get automatically downloaded in the form of small capsules. Take an example. A customer uses inventory in Tally ERP 9. Now, a new release is launched, which has additional capabilities in inventory. Whenever the customer is connected to the internet, Tally ERP 9 will download this new release automatically. The customer may not do anything manually. No reinstallation will be required. Imagine the time and effort saved. Now, consider another customer who uses only accounting capabilities. For this customer, nothing will happen. The new release will not get downloaded automatically. Benefits of this capability. Release 5.0 ensures faster delivery of personalized product updates. The new small installer of Release 5.0 has been kept as tight as possible to ensure that the install setup is faster. Minor changes and additions will be delivered to the customers directly in the form of capsules, so no reinstallation will be required. Of course, there will be a time when a full installation will be needed, but these will be very infrequent. Stack changes will also be without user intervention, and the new capsules will be delivered only to the users who need them. Example, if KDAS is introduced in the product, the solution will be delivered only to the customers from Karnataka. Customers from other states will not get this update. The impact. Overall, memory consumption will be smaller, resulting in better performance of Tally. We will now move on to 5.0 and go through the complete demo. In Release 5.0, after installing Tally ERP 9, Tally will create capsule folder where Tally release file is installed. Click on the capsule file. These are all the files by default Tally will create automatically once Tally is installed. If we try to delete any one of the capsules and if you try to open Tally will give the error message that this file is required. As soon as you connect to internet, Tally will download the required capsule files. In this context, it is important to note that in Release 5.0, occasional connection to the internet is mandatory. Tally will download the latest capsule, product updates and stack changes and so on only when it is connected to internet. This is all about personalized product updates in Release 5.0. Now we move on to our next enhancement, robust licensing, wherein we will discuss the following two aspects: new installer and license deployment. Release 5.0 will have 4 different types of installer, CD installer. This is the complete installer that contains the 32 and 64-bit resources required to install Tally, and this particular installer comes along with a complete help file. File size of approximately 155 MB. This particular installer is portable and can be carried out around in a CD. No internet connection is required for CD installation. Web installer. This particular installer will include all 32 and 64-bit resources required to install the Tally application. File size will be approximately 39 to 40 MB, but it will not contain the help file. The installer will be available in the download center. Online installer. This is one of the smallest installers wherein no default component to load Tally ERP9 is available. With this installer basically does, when connected to the internet, it recognizes the architect of the system that you are running on and accordingly download the 32-bit and 64-bit resources and install them. File size of this installer is less than 1 MB. This installer will also be available in Tally ERP9 folder. Help installer. This particular installer contains no components to install Tally ERP9. This is simply the help file installer. The file size is approximately 115 to 120 MB, and you will find this in the download center. To start off with the installer, let us focus on the features and functionalities of new installer. Ability to check latest and install the latest available release. Release 5.0 installer comes with the capability to check and install the latest available release. The CD and web installer of 5.0 has this check latest facility. The online installer will by default download the latest release. Ability to upgrade to the latest release. Release 5.0 installer allows you to upgrade the application to the latest available release. Capability to upgrade is in the installer file, install.exe, that is there in the Tally folder of your machine. Click on the installer, install.exe, upgrade installation. The latest update gets downloaded and installed. In 5.0, we have removed certain components. We have not go in depth as to why these components have been removed. It's just enough for us to know that these components have been removed to make the installer as light as possible, and also removing these will not have much impact on the user friend. The components removed from Tally ERP9 Release 5.0 are Tally Server.dla, Tally AdminTool.exe, Tally 72 Migration.exe, Tally Extend1.tsf, BlockConverter.exe. Unlike prior release, there is no separate exe for uninstalling Tally ERP9 Release 5.0. From now on, you will be able to uninstall the application using the online install.exe available in Tally ERP9 folder. Difference between old and new installer. The user interface of the new installer has completely changed. In a pre-5.0 scenario, the complete installation was in 5 steps. But using the new 5.0 installer, you can install Tally in a single step. Earlier, at the time of installation, it was necessary to mention the user type, that is whether single user or multi-user, and server or client. But now, no such details are required for installing Tally. Earlier, Ryzen server has to be installed on server system, but not on the client system. Now, in whichever system you activate or reactivate Release 5.0 license, Tally's gateway server starts functioning automatically. This is all about the features and functionality of the new installer of Tally ERP9 Release 5.0. Before we start discussing the aspects of deployment in Release 5.0, it is important to understand the concept of Tally Gateway Server and RDP check. We begin with Tally Gateway Server. Tally Gateway Server is a new component introduced from Tally ERP9 Release 5.0. Its execution will happen with the activation or reactivation of Release 5.0. Tally Gateway Server is a replacement of Tally License Server. Gateway Server will allow the usage of same silver license in multiple systems across the LAN, only one usage at a time. With the implementation of Gateway Server, Tally should be connected to the Internet occasionally, or else the licensing will enter into educational mode. Gateway Server installation is not required on client system. Only server name and IP address is required for license configuration. Once the same is configured, press F2 to search the Tally Gateway Server. Now, what is RDP? RDP, Remote Desktop Protocol, is a proprietary protocol developed by Microsoft, which provides a user with a graphical interface to connect to another computer over a network connection. Earlier, we had a control on the RDP limit for single user license, but there was no such restriction imposed for multi-user license. We have come across several instances where license has been misused. So far, for the benefit of users, partners, and Tally, in Release 5.0, there will be an initial limit to the number of RDPs to be provided, and benefited customers can get the number increased by speaking with TallyCare. No extra charges will be paid. We just need to be sure that the customer is needing more RDP connection for the use of his own organization. Now, what is the maximum limit that will be provided is yet to be decided. The RDP limit will be configured from the backend server. If the maximum defined limit is crossed, the error message "You have crossed max RDP limit" will be displayed if the user tries to reconnect. Several important changes have been made centering around Tally Silver license, license misuse, and RDP user. Thus, you as our partner must be specifically aware of floating silver license. Tally Silver license usage will now not be restricted to one computer only. Any user on the LAN, one at a time, can use it. License misuse. With Release 5.0, Tally needs to be occasionally connected to the Internet, and so multiple users of the same license will no longer be possible. RDP check. As discussed in the previous slide, Tally 5.0 will have an initial limit of RDP to be given to the user. Only bona fide customers can get the number increased by speaking with TallyCare. This has been done to ensure that customer is needed RDP connection for use in his own organization. Overall, these enhancements will be benefiting the whole system as Tally user, Tally partner, and Tally in that order. From a usage perspective, the following points must be kept in mind. Need for occasional Internet connection. This need is mandatory requirement. Tally will receive the latest capsules, tax changes, and so on, only when connected to the Internet. This will work even if Tally is not running. In case Tally fails to connect to .NET within that period, Tally will go into educational mode. Users will have to connect to Internet to reactivate. This fallback to education mode will not happen all of a sudden. There will be a clear warning to the users that he must connect to the internet. Remote Desktop Protocol. As discussed earlier, prior to release 5.0, any number of multi-license users could connect to Tally Gold through RDP. But with release 5.0, there will be an initial limit and bona fide customer can get the number increased by sticking with TallyCare. No more offline activation. Wi-Fi, mobile internet and broadband is now available wherever business are today. There is no value in continuing offline activation. After all, Tally needs to occasionally connect to internet anyway. Licensing process. Scenario 1. Customer using release 4.93 or below and wants to upgrade to release 5.0, install 5.0 in the same folder. If you want to simply override the older version of Tally, then you can take a backup and proceed with the installation of release 5.0. When installing 5.0 in the license file path, mention the path where Tally license file of the older version exists. Scenario 2. Customer using Tally ERP 9 release 4.91 or below and wants to upgrade to release 5.0 but retain the older version. In such cases, Tally ERP 9 5.0 should be installed in the same machine, but at the time of installation, when the system will prompt for license path, mention the path where the Tally license file of the older version exists. In this context, the following points should be noted. With the license file path of release 5.0 mentioned, Tally gateway server gets automatically executed. Customers can use both Tally 5.0 and the older release at the same time for any number of days. There is low limit for the same. Suppose customer using 3.6 and Tally.NET subscription has expired. Under such circumstances, as soon as he keys in the license path for release 5.0, the following message will be displayed in the calculator panel. Valid Tally.NET subscription required to use this release. So, until and unless Tally.NET subscription is renewed, the customer will not be able to use release 5.0. Scenario 3. In the maximum number of cases, customer would want to upgrade to release 5.0, but they would want to install it in a separate drive or folder. In such cases, customer should take a backup of older data, surrender license by pressing S12, licensing, surrender. When surrendering, key in your email ID and Tally.NET password and hit enter. Install Tally ERP 9 release 5.0, load Tally and click on reactivate license, mention email ID and Tally.NET password and hit enter. This will get reactivated and you can start using Tally ERP 9 release 5.0. With this we have covered the aspect of Tally gateway server, remote desktop protocol and license upgradation. Now we will move over to the FAQ session. With release 5.0, what kind of problem may I encounter if I try to run Tally subsequently in two different systems across the LAN? Answer is, you cannot open Tally in two different systems at the same time. If the application is already open in one system and you try to open in second system, then the following message will be displayed. I am using Tally ERP 9 release 5.0 single user license. Is it possible for me to connect to older version, that is Tally ERP 9 version 4.93 through gateway server? Answer is no. This is not possible. Presently, with the help of Tally gateway server, you will be able to connect only one client system. If you try to connect more than one instance of Tally, the following error message will be displayed. I am getting message connect Gateway Server to Internet in Info Panel. Why? Answer is, you are receiving this message because with Release 5.0, you need to connect your system to the Internet occasionally. This is an intimation. So, please connect your system to the Internet and reload the application. The error message will disappear, or else Tally will go into the educational mode. My server system is not connected to Internet, but my client system has an Internet connection. So, is the offline limit string applicable in this case also? Answer is yes. Internet connection is required where Gateway Server is installed. Also note, with Release 5.0, no more offline activation will be possible. Product stability and completeness. 99% of users do not report any issues in Tally. We have customers who swear by the stability and robustness of our product. This is proven by customers who are with us from over 20 years. So, what we speak next must be considered carefully in the light of this fact. The fact that 99% have no problem with Tally ERP9. Some 1% about 1 in 100 have reported issues related to delay response from Tally and the need to wait for new releases to receive product updates. Release 5.0 approach. In 5.0, we have not only made massive engineering changes to the product, but we have addressed over hundreds of special situations and exceptions. Even customer-specific issues have also been handled. Not just that, we have made even more changes to the way of our product management, product development, and support team work. From now on, if any issues are reported, that Tally will fix this extremely faster and deliver this immediately through the capsule updates. No longer does Tally and the user have to wait for the next release of the product. With this, we have covered the important features enhancements done in Release 5.0. Hope you all found this useful. Thank you.